It can roll, it can fly. DIC is reimagining drones. HAGAMOSphere is a spherical, omnidirectional multi-copter designed to operate seamlessly in both air and land. Built with 8 propellers mounted on a cubic frame, it maintains stable horizontal and vertical flight while adapting to diverse environments. A geometrically shaped spherical guard encloses the structure, allowing the drone to safely roll along the ground and rotate while protected. This innovative design expands traditional drone capabilities beyond standard aerial operation. Its hybrid mobility supports applications such as research, surveillance, and rescue missions, enabling deployment in complex or confined environments where conventional drones may struggle. And if you're struggling to find reliable parts for your design, look no further than Mauser Electronics. Advanced Photonics analog modules integrate a 2mm diameter InGaAs 2D position-sensitive detector with built-in transimpedance amplifiers for precise optical measurement. Its standout features include a spectral sensitivity from 400 nanometers to 1700 nanometers. The lateral effect PSD provides accurate position data independent of beam shape or power distribution. The module supports 3.1 volts to 5.25 volts operation, up to 5 megahertz cutoff frequency, and 20 micrometer position detection error. Standard SMA connectors and flexible optical mounting options simplify integration. The advanced photonics analog modules are ideal for optical alignment, free space communication, distance sensing, and other two-dimensional measurement applications. To learn more, head over to Mauser.com or click the link below. With the potential of AI taking many jobs, people will have a lot of downtime. But fear not, engineers have created a solution.
Check this out. Toyota built this robotic chair that can actually go upstairs to help more people get around. It's called the Walk Me chair, and it's designed to help people who have trouble walking move freely even on stairs. So it uses electric motors in each of these 4 legs, and it has a smart stabilization system so it stays balanced even when the ground isn't. So yeah, Toyota's not just building cars anymore, they're making mobility solutions for everyone.
And you don't even have to be a viceroy to use it. That's it for me. Click the link on your screen to check out our other Spotlight videos and stay up to date on the latest EE news.